Good morning, 11th grade. So we're on week 2, and as you suggested, everything is organized by day this time. That doesn't mean that you can only work on the work from that day. Obviously, you should still go in order. Actually, sorry, it's not organized by day, it's organized by reading. So the first reading for the week is chapter 3:1, Foreign Ground. You have the audio, you have a quick quiz, and then today you have a discussion. It says complete one discussion contribution and 2 substantial responses to your classmates for full points. So by substantial, I just don't mean I agree with Ayanla. You have to do something more. The prompt, I give you actually some help on how to do that, how to do those responses. You can kind of fill in the blank. But underneath here is the prompt. The author Wes Moore is struggling in the Bronx because he is in 2 worlds, the mostly white, affluent, which means rich, world of his private school and the diverse lower to middle class home neighborhood. Many of you would be able to make a connection to this because you too successfully exist in 2 cultures. The culture of your parents' or grandparents' home country, as it exists here in Minnesota, and the more mainstream culture you exist in when you come to school. Answer one of the questions in your post. One. Anyone. How are you different when you are at school than when you are at home? Be specific. Don't just say, I speak a different language. Tell me how your behavior, your personality, your relationships, or your expectations change, okay? Second option, what is one part of the culture you wish would cross over to the other culture? What I mean is there's something Latino, Arabic, Somali, Oromo, Vietnamese, whatever other culture that you wish was more part of the mainstream culture, like you wish we would take that up as a group. Or is there something of the mainstream culture that you wish was more a part of home? Some way that your family was more typically American, whatever that means. Then the third one, what advice would you give young Wes about how to successfully negotiate the 2 cultures and be more accepted in each? Because plenty of you are doing that really well, so you are a great person to give him advice. All right, let's look at the week really quickly. Tuesday-ish, you should be looking at the second part of the 3rd chapter. Wednesday, we're starting a new part of the book, so there's always a little prologue. That's a conversation between the grown-up Wesses in prison. This section is called Choices and Second Chances. The first chapter is called Marking Territory, and you start out with the other Wes Moore story. And then, that's actually 4-2, Marking Territory, the other Wes Moore. I'm going to change that right now because that is a mistype. A couple of these, I don't have the audio posted yet because honestly, I just couldn't get to them. That is on my to-do list for today. It should all be there by the end of the day. Please message me if you have any questions, or even better, I'm going to I'm going to move over the open questions discussion. I don't have it in there yet. And I'm going to just move over the one from last week because I think those continuing questions are really good. So please, if it's a question that other people may have, not specific to you, put it in the open questions. Like one of you asked about what some words mean. That was great because I'm sure other people wanted to know. And if you don't have questions, make sure you're still checking it because it may clear some things up for you. So good luck for today. I hope I hear from you either through your work or through a message. It's hat day, so hence my hat. And I will talk to you later.